Okay, so do you see this? Almost 3K in monthly organic search traffic. Now, this is pointless if you're not able to take the traffic and transform it into money. So if you're not able to convert people into buyers. Now, there's a lot of factors that come into play here, right? There's the keywords you're ranking for, because if you rank for super generic keywords with low buying intent, most of your traffic is going to be like informational based traffic and not going to buy anything from you. Yes, you can always capture their emails, retarget them with ads, but in all honesty, you'd want traffic to be of high buying intent. So the number here is almost a vanity metric. Now I'm going to show you a single line of code you can add to your site to make sure that you capture as much value, squeeze as much value from your traffic as possible. And here's how. So what you see here is just a regular blog post about should you buy a Tesla, right? A regular blog post all done with AI, with images, videos, links, are pretty straightforward, right? It's all done with AI, by the way. But then you'll notice that there's something here, right? There's this little box which is interactive, right? I can click here. This is basically a financing calculator. How many years driven? So you click here to get a free advice on insuring your first Tesla. So drove it for 4 years, bought it 6 years ago, one crash, boom. So it's gonna tell me, and this is specific, if I should insure my Tesla. Now, don't worry about the background here. This is weird, just how I set up the site, right? Based on your circumstances, right, it would be beneficial to consider a few types of insurance for your vehicle, since you have owned the car, whatever. So it gives me a tailored answer based on the input I put in the tool, right? You can even, like, for example, put affiliate links here for insurance companies. My point is that to show you that you can have these interactive tools in your blog post or in your site. You can even have email capture. So get more, subscribe to our email list to get your finance quote, or subscribe to our email list to get 10% off of your next financing order, wherever. You click here to sign up and you get their emails. And you can build any tools you want. Literally, you go here to Journalist AI, click lead magnets, create a magnet, and it allows you to create anything you want. So mortgage calculator, I don't know how to type, mortgage calculator, prompt. So tell the user how much they'd pay per month in mortgage for the house they want to buy. Okay, so now the user needs to put in, okay, how much is the house? How much is your down payment? How old are you, for example, right? And then see monthly payment, okay? You can collect emails, which I do suggest you do, right? And then just do create. Get more advice or get a better deal with one of our partners. Okay, hit create. This is the preview of how it's going to look like, right? Just copy. Actually, we can test it out here. So you can embed, right? You can embed this in your blogs, in your homepage, in your site, whatever, right? Anywhere you want. If you're, depending on your niche, you can basically create calculators. You can create, literally, the possibilities are literally endless. Okay, so let's say this was embedded not in this article right here, but another article, right? So how much the house costs? 500K. I want 200K for down payment. I am 50 years old. See monthly payment, right? There we go. Just waits a bit, and then it gives us, okay, to calculate whatever, right? It gives us a $1,347. Okay, now we can make sure that this is a bit less or a bit shorter, but I think it's cool that we show you actually the thought process behind it. Right, and then there's a call to action. Okay, get a better deal with one of our partners. Oh, I want a better deal. I don't want to pay this much. Okay, so let me add my email here. Boom, sign up. There we go. And then the leads are added here to this. So you can capture leads. So not only are you giving your readers a free tool that's actually valuable, right? But you're also collecting their emails. Again, mega valuable. And you can build tools for anything you want. Go here to lead magnets. You can build BMI tools, diet plans. I mean, you can build literally anything you want. Give it a go. It's free, by the way. You don't need to pay for this for now. Just go to tryjournalist.com, click lead magnets, and give it a go. You can build as many as you want. Again, 1000% for free. Add them to your site. And yeah, the possibilities are literally endless. Let me know what you guys build as well, because we're going to be beefing up this feature with a couple of new things coming very soon. As of now, it's just basically the base thing of it, but it's pretty cool. So give it a go. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.